Today I'm breaking down the top 5 best dashcam front and rear. That's right, we're comparing 5 different front and rear dashcams to help you find the right fit for your car and your budget. I'll talk video quality, night performance, ease of use, and what you actually get for your money. Let's dive in. We have included links in the description. Number 1. TRUNSL 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear, free 128GB card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi dash camera for cars, built-in GPS, G-sensor, 170 degrees wide angle, 3-inch IPS screen, 24H parking mode, support 512GB max. This dash cam is aimed at drivers who want full coverage and strong specs without paying premium brand prices. The big selling point right away is that you're getting true 4K recording on both the front and rear cameras, plus a free 128GB memory card included, which saves you money and setup time right out of the box. Video quality in daylight is sharp and detailed. License plates, road signs, and lane markings are clear enough to actually be useful if you ever need footage for insurance or police reports. The wide 170-degree field of view does a good job capturing multiple lanes, which is important for American highways and busy city driving. Night footage is solid, though not perfect. Headlights and streetlights are handled reasonably well, but like most non-premium dash cams, very fast-moving plates can still be hit or miss in low light. For normal city and suburban driving, it's more than adequate. The built-in GPS is a big plus. Speed and location data are embedded into the footage, which can matter in accident disputes. The G-sensor automatically locks footage during sudden braking or impacts, so important clips don't get overwritten. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection is noticeably faster than older dash cams. Downloading clips to your phone is quicker and less frustrating, which is something a lot of drivers don't think about until they need footage immediately. The 24-hour parking mode adds extra peace of mind if you park on the street, in apartment complexes, or shared parking lots. It's designed to record incidents while parked, but keep in mind that proper installation usually requires a hardwire kit for reliable overnight use. Number 2. Reddiger 4K dashcam front rear, Starvis 2 sensor, free card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 20 MB/s fast download, dash camera for cars with GPS, WDR night vision, 170 degrees wide angle, 24H parking mode, F7NP. This dash cam is built for drivers who prioritize video quality and reliability, especially in tougher lighting conditions. Reddiger has a stronger reputation in the dash cam space, and that shows in how polished this unit feels. The Starvis 2 sensor makes a real difference, particularly at night. Headlights are better controlled, and license plates are more readable in low-light conditions compared to many mid-range dashcams. If you do a lot of night driving, highway commuting, or early morning trips, this is a noticeable upgrade. Daytime footage is sharp and consistent, with clear detail across the frame. The wide-angle lens captures multiple lanes without heavy distortion, which helps when reviewing footage after an incident. The Wi-Fi performance is fast and stable. Downloading clips to your phone is quick, which matters when you're dealing with insurance claims or want to show footage immediately. The app experience is smoother than most budget dash cams, which reduces frustration over time. GPS tracking is built in and works reliably, logging speed and route data automatically. The G-sensor locks footage during collisions or sudden impacts, ensuring critical clips aren't lost. Parking mode is included and works well, especially for drivers who park on the street or in high-traffic areas. As with most dash cams, proper hardwiring is recommended for consistent protection. This is a great buy for commuters, rideshare drivers, and anyone who values night video quality and app stability. It's especially well suited for suburban and highway driving in the US. Number 3. Rover 2-4K dual dashcam front and rear, Starvis 2 sensor, free 128GB card included, 5G Wi-Fi up to 20 MB/s fastest download speed with app, for K2160p/FHD dash camera for cars, 3-inch IPS, 24H parking mode. This dash cam is built for drivers who want strong video quality, fast file access, and a brand that's well established in the US dash cam space. Rove has been around longer than most newer brands, and this model feels polished and dependable. The front camera records in true 4K, while the rear records in full HD. Daytime footage is sharp and detailed, with clear lane markings, street signs, and vehicle outlines. License plates are readable in most normal driving situations, which is what actually matters if you ever need footage for an insurance claim. The Starvis 2 sensor helps a lot at night. Headlight glare is better controlled than budget dashcams, and shadow detail is improved. It's not perfect, but for highway driving, suburban streets, and parking lots, it performs consistently well. One of the biggest advantages is the 5G Wi-Fi speed. Transferring clips to your phone is fast and painless, which is a huge deal when you need footage quickly. The app experience is stable and easy to use, especially compared to off-brand dashcams. GPS is built-in and reliable. Speed and route data are embedded directly into the footage, which can help protect you in disputes. The G-sensor does its job locking files during sudden braking or impacts so important clips don't get overwritten. Parking mode is included, but like most dash cams, it works best when hardwired. If you park on the street or in apartment complexes, this feature adds peace of mind. This is a great buy for commuters, rideshare drivers, and anyone who wants strong front and rear coverage with a trusted US-friendly brand. Number 4. Botslab 4K Dashcam Front and Rear, Sony IMX415 Starvis Sensor, 170 degrees ultra-wide 4K plus 2K Dashcam with 8S, night vision, 24/7 parking mode, WDR, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, free 64 GB SD card, built-in GPS. This dash cam is aimed at drivers who want a mix of high resolution, advanced features, and safety assistance. It packs a lot into one unit, which makes it appealing if you like having extra layers of protection while driving. The front camera records in 4K, and the rear records in 2K, which is more than enough for capturing details in real-world driving. Daytime footage is sharp, wide, and clear. The 170-degree field of view covers multiple lanes, which is especially useful on US highways. The Sony Starvis sensor does a solid job at night. Streetlights and headlights are balanced well, and details stay visible without excessive glare. It's not cinematic, but it's reliable, which is what you want from a dashcam. One standout feature is ADAS. You get alerts for things like lane departure and forward collision warnings. Some drivers find these helpful, especially on long commutes. Others find them annoying and turn them off. The good news is that you have the choice. GPS tracking works well and records speed and location accurately. The included Wi-Fi is fast enough to pull clips to your phone without frustration, though it's not quite as fast as the very top-tier models. Parking mode runs 24/7 with proper wiring and is useful for drivers who park in busy areas or shared lots. The free SD card is a nice bonus, even though many users will upgrade to a larger one later. This is a good buy for tech-focused drivers, daily commuters, and people who like extra safety alerts baked into their dashcam. Number 5. Dashcam Front and Rear, 1080p dash camera for cars, 3-channel car camera front rear and inside with 32 GB card, loop recording, night vision, HDR, 24 hours parking, G-sensor. This dash cam is designed for drivers who want full interior coverage rather than ultra-high resolution. Instead of focusing on 4K quality, it gives you 3 angles at once, front, rear, and inside the cabin. Video quality is 1080p across all cameras. That's not impressive on paper, but it's good enough for identifying people, recording conversations, and capturing events inside and outside the vehicle. The interior camera is especially useful for rideshare drivers, taxis, and parents who want visibility inside the car. Night vision on the interior camera works well, especially for low-light cabin recording. Faces and movement are clearly visible, which is often more important than fine detail. The front and rear cameras handle basic driving footage adequately. License plates may not always be readable at high speed, but the footage is still useful for documenting incidents. Loop recording and the G-sensor work as expected, automatically saving clips during impacts. Parking mode adds extra protection when the car is off, though like most dash cams, it works best with proper hardwiring. You should skip this if you want premium image quality, 4K resolution, or advanced app features. This model prioritizes coverage over clarity. For the right driver, especially in rideshare or family use, this kind of dashcam offers peace of mind that higher resolution models don't always provide. And that's a wrap on the top 5 best dashcam front and rear review. I hope seeing all 5 options side by side made it easier to pick the one that makes sense for your ride. Check the links below for the latest pricing and specs, and if this helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Thanks for watching.